what is up? It's Color Tool at Fan 2000. Here's a message to BTR Plumbing's bully. Kick. Hang on, I'm having so much trouble. I'm not very good at writing. I have dysgraphia, so so this is a message to BTR Plumbing's bully. Now I'm gonna write another message to BTR Plumbing as well. So this time, here's my message to you, BTR Plumbing. I hope. Here's my message to BTR Plumbing. I'm having so much trouble. Just hang on. Alright, hang on, I gotta put the camera down. Bed. I'm sorry if my writing looks really sloppy, but alright, so this is my message to you, BTR Plumbing. I hope your wrist feels better. Also, one thing I have to say also to BTR Plumbing's bully is BTR Plumbing did not deserve for you to beat him up. It's one thing I can say. I hope he's watching this video because I hope BTR Plumbing's watching this video because BTR Plumbing does not deserve that. So basically, BTR Plumbing's bully, or the bully that beat up BTR Plumbing, kick yourself. And I hope you get kicked out of school for what you did to him. I hope you get kicked out of school for what you did to BTR Plumbing. I hope BTR Plumbing, let me just say, I want to ask, if that kid got kicked out of school, comment down below, which, honestly, I think that kid deserved to be kicked out of school. So, BTR Plumbing, comment down below if he got in trouble for it or got kicked out of school, which, honestly, if I was, like, the principal or some of that school, I would have kicked him out of school. That is it. Thank you for watching.